Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript interview question and answer series, and today's question is one of those important questions that will be asked to you if you are applying to a company which uses jQuery or WordPress or Drupal or anything of those frameworks where still jQuery is pretty much relevant. So when you are trying to attend a interview in a company, make sure you check out some background if they still use jQuery, JavaScript. So this is one of those questions they will ask you 100%, right? When they ask you, please come and tell me in the comments how did you answer this after preparation of this question. So the question is, explain window.onload and on document ready. What is the difference? What are these two things? They can just ask you, can you explain what is window.onload, or they can ask you, can you explain what is on document ready status? So the answer is onload function is not run until all the information of the page is loaded. This is usually to delay tactic, right? The reason being that it will lead to substantial delay because you will not execute any code till everything is loaded in the page, right? So if you are making multiple asynchronous calls or AJAX calls, what can happen is if one call is taking too much time, the entire page is hold ransom, right? So that is one of the reason we don't encourage using onload, right? Because the moment you say onload, it will wait for all the information on the page to be rendered, which takes quite a lot of bit of time in some cases, which may result in delay. On the other hand, on document ready means whenever the DOM is loaded. Now, what is DOM? Document Object Model, right? So whenever DOM is loaded, it immediately triggers the function, which is really good because it helps us in early manipulation of the code and the UI screen and the template. So these are the two really important things which even jQuery uses heavily, right? So in if you have written jQuery code, or if you're applying for a jQuery position or front end role, these two methods you should be well aware, right? So make sure that you understand, maybe practice it with one or two scenarios so that you can explain it in the code using hands-on, right? So that's utterly important and extremely critical also that you answer it correctly, because that would set the tone for your rest of your interview. So prepare this well, understand this the concept well. Ask me if you have any doubts. I'm here to help you. Just drop in your comments. I'll try and help you. Thank you so much for joining. I will see you in the next episode. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.